Hi there, and congratulations on taking this next step in your health journey. You've just purchased the Reveal My DNA genetic test, and we want to walk you through exactly what to expect next so you feel confident, supported, and excited for the process. So here's what happens next. First, you'll receive your Reveal My DNA kit directly to your home. Inside the box, you'll find simple step-by-step instructions on how to collect your sample. The process is quick, painless, and just takes a few minutes. Second, follow the instructions to complete your sample. Make sure to read carefully, register your kit, and ship it back using the prepaid packaging that's included. Third, the lab will analyze your genetic data. Once the sample arrives at the lab, your results will take a few weeks to process. You'll receive an email notification as soon as your report is ready. 4, you'll gain access to your full Reveal My DNA dashboard. This report will break down your genetic tendencies, which are related to nutritional needs, detox pathways, neurotransmitter balance, hormone health, methylation, fitness and recovery, weight tendencies, and even more. You'll be able to explore each section at your own pace and start understanding your body on a deeper level. Once your results come in, you can take a look at them. If you don't understand or you need help reviewing the information, you can schedule an appointment with us so we can translate your DNA into an actionable plan. So here's what your session would give you: a personalized interpretation of your genes. Genetic reports are so powerful, but they can be overwhelming. We can help you understand exactly what each section means for your health, your symptoms, and your goals. 2, a customized recommendation so you can start immediately. We'll use your genetic blueprint to create a clear step-by-step plan that may include nutrition tailored to your biology, a supplement support which matches the pathways, detox protocols, lifestyle adjustments to support energy, hormones, and inflammation, and last, a fitness recommendation for performance goals. 3, clarity on what matters most. Let's not guess. Not all genes require the same level of attention. Let's identify the highest priority pathways so you know where to focus first. 4, integration with your current symptoms and history. Your DNA is just one part of the story. We blend your genetics with your real-time health picture so we can make a truly personalized plan. 5, a long-term roadmap. If you choose to go deeper, we can build ongoing care around your genetics so you continue to improve month after month. We are so excited for you to explore your unique genetic blueprint. Your body is giving us the roadmap. Now we get to put it into action. Thank you.